Hello everybody, coming at you with all it's my how you guys doing today? I finally went out and got a new battery. And it's a lot nicer having a bike that actually starts up. Yeah, it's surprising how much better this runs with a battery. Rather than bump starting it, man, I kind of didn't remember what it was like, how easy it started. I mean, just a little chirp as you saw there, and we're back into business. So when I went to, it took me some convincing. I took my DR650 down to Williamsport Honda to have them try to sell it on consignment, and then I'm like, I want to ride my bike to work. So I'm like, I kind of need a new battery. Oh, I need a new battery. So I'm like, we'll just go get one. And that took some convincing of myself, but like that person thought that the light just magically turned green. So it took a little convincing, but I eventually just pulled the stuff off and went and got myself a battery, and I'm so glad I did, because it just starts up so easily. Yeah, so I went to the local battery store or auto parts store, and then we go in there and I put my dirty TW battery up on the counter, and I'm like, I need another one of these. He looks at it, he's like, huh. And then he grabs a paper towel and starts to wipe the dirt off, and I apologize because, like, sorry. He's like, well, it wouldn't be much fun if it was a dirt bike and you didn't have dirt on it. I'm like, true. So he wipes it off, then he reads the numbers and goes over and looks around. And they don't have an exact fit for the battery I need. So he's like, huh. And he shows me a list of batteries. He's like, oh, there's this one, but you have to put acid in it. And that's one thing I didn't think about. I don't have a battery charger. So there would be no way for me to charge a battery if I got one. So I'm like, oh, that ain't gonna work. He's like, we have these pre-charged ones and sealed batteries, so you don't have to do any acid. I'm like, oh, I like that. And he's like, this one's 41. And then, but the other one was like friggin' 80 bucks. I'm like, yeah, I'm not gonna do 80 bucks. No thanks. So we take it over to the counter, and we're entering my stuff for like the local, not the like you know, all the stuff they ask you for your email and stuff like that. So we're doing that. He's like, you mind if I play around a little bit? I'm like, sure, I don't care. He's sitting there and he's like typing stuff in, and he's like, you found this cheaper elsewhere, didn't you? He's typing, and he's like, the first it was like 55 bucks, and he's like 50-50. I'm like, oh, okay, works for me. So $50 later, I have a new battery on my TW, and we're riding away. But yeah, I don't know why I was so stubborn in not getting a battery. It's so much easier than bump starting it. Yeah, I'm gonna have a large iced coffee. Hey, the Heath flavoring 3 creams and 3 sugars.
3 creams and 3 sugars?
Yes, 3 creams, 3 sugars.
Is that everything?
Yes, it is.
All right, 285, please pull around. Good morning, honey.
Good morning.
Do you want your receipt?
No, thanks.
$2.15.
Thank you.
You have a great morning.
You too. And that worked out fine. Sort of. And there you have it, folks. A successful Dunkin run on my TW. I only spilled a little bit. All in all, not a bad turnout. It was pretty exciting. But anyhow, thank you for watching and subscribe. Have a nice day and God bless. If you're interested in watching some other videos, check out my other videos. Catch you all later. God bless.